Hi everyone. So in this video we are going to see about data security and storage in cloud computing. So as organizations increasingly store and process their data in the cloud, protecting that data has become more critical than ever. Data security refers to safeguarding information against unauthorized access, corruption or loss. So cloud storage simply means storing data on remote servers managed by providers like AWS, Azure or Google Cloud. For example, when we upload documents to Google Drive, encryption and access control mechanisms are used to ensure that only authorized users can view them. So this combination of storage convenience and security requirements forms the foundation of cloud data protection. So importance of data security. Data security is extremely important because the cloud holds massive volumes of sensitive and business critical data. So this makes it an attractive target for cyber criminals. Even a small misconfiguration can lead to severe data exposure. For instance, several real-world cases show that misconfigured AWS S3 buckets have resulted in millions of customer records being leaked publicly. So companies store customer information, financial data and confidential documents in the cloud. So maintaining strict security controls is essential to prevent breaches, service disruptions and reputational damage. So threats to cloud data. Cloud environments face many threats. The most common include data breaches where attackers steal sensitive information, insider threats where internal users misuse their access, data loss which may occur due to accidental deletion or failures, some insecure APIs, so which attackers can exploit to enter cloud systems. For example, if a virtual machine is deleted without an existing backup or snapshot, the associated data is permanently lost. So these threats highlight the importance of proper permissions, secure configurations and strong authentication. Data security requirements. To secure cloud data effectively, we follow 5 major security requirements. So first one is the confidentiality. So it ensures that only authorized users can access the data. Integrity. It ensures the data is accurate and unaltered. Third one is the availability. It ensures data is accessible whenever needed. Authenticity verifies the identity of users such as OTP based logins used in online banking. Non-reputation injurious actions cannot be denied later, often supported through logs and digital signatures. Together, these requirements create a secure environment for cloud-based information systems. So, data protection techniques. Cloud provides use several advanced techniques to protect stored data. So, the first one is the encryption, where data is converted into unreadable code and can only be accessed with the correct decryption key. Second one is the tokenization, where sensitive data such as credit card numbers is replaced with randomly generated tokens. Third one is the data masking, so which hides sensitive parts of data for non-production use, such as showing only the last 4 digits of a credit card in recipients. So these techniques ensure that even if attackers access the cloud storage, the actual information remains protected. The next slide explains about the cloud storage. So cloud storage models, cloud platforms provide different storage models based on use case. Object storage such as AWS S3 is ideal for storing images, videos and backups. Next one is the block storage like AWS EBS is similar to a virtual hard disk and is used for databases or virtual machines. File storage such as AWS EFS is suited for shared file systems accessed by multiple servers. So choosing the correct model ensures better performance, availability and cost efficiency. So data lifecycle cloud data goes through a complete life cycle starting from creation followed by storage, usage, sharing, archival and finally deletion. For example, old project files that are no longer in daily use can be moved to archival storage like AWS Glacier, which is cost effective and suitable for long-term retention. So understanding this life cycle helps organizations apply the right security and management controls at each stage. So this slide depicts the challenges in data security. Despite strong tools and frameworks, cloud data security faces several challenges. Privacy issues arise because data is stored on third-party servers. Meeting compliance requirements such as GDPR becomes necessary when dealing with personal data. So multi-tenancy rises concerns because multiple users share the same physical infrastructure. Data mobility, especially when migrating data between providers, can introduce risk if not securely handled. So these challenges require careful planning, strict policies and continuous monitoring. So best practices or some key best practices include enabling encryption for data at rest and in transit, implementing strong IAM policies to limit access, enabling regular backups to avoid accidental loss, and continuously monitoring access logs through tools like AWS CloudTrail. So these practices strengthen the entire cloud security posture and reduce the chances of unauthorized access or misconfigurations. So in a conclusion, data security and storage are central to cloud computing. With proper encryption, access control, backups, and monitoring, organizations can protect sensitive information and ensure compliance. As cloud adoption continues to grow, understanding and implementing strong security strategies becomes essential for preventing breaches, ensuring data integrity, and maintaining trust in cloud services.